Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Karcher Pro NT20/1 Classic stands out for its high capacity and versatility, making it an ideal solution for intense work environments such as workshops, construction sites, and industrial sectors. Featuring a 20-liter stainless steel drum, it offers a durable and sturdy structure, ideal for prolonged and intensive use. Ergonomics are ensured by a comfortable handle and 4 swivel wheels that facilitate its transport and maneuverability in complex spaces. Equipped with an advanced system for managing suction power and energy saving, this model incorporates innovative technologies for cleaning and maintaining the filter. A large cartridge filter maintains high filtration efficiency, ensuring consistent suction power. This makes the Karcher Pro NT20/1 Classic particularly effective in removing dust and liquids, finding optimal use in cleaning car interiors, cellars, garages, and outdoor areas such as driveways and courtyards. The design of this model is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, reflecting the high quality that distinguishes the Karcher product range. The suction power of 1500 watts allows it to effectively tackle various types of dirt, ensuring superior cleaning results. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.